Oh, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Oh, what your fast ass? Oh, see, I've been working this summer. Ooh, let me see that. Help me! You help me! Come on now. What's up? You alright? I'll be doing the most. Oh yeah, walking on a boat. Big man on a boat. Sheesh. Oh. Big Daddy Amber about to have us on the skis. Come on now, we living our best life. Sheesh. Y'all already know who gonna win. Look, I'm finna win. Stevie riding on the back. She little Amber. She Amber Boo thing for today, but glasses too, so y'all get every angle.
Feelings so deep in my feelings.
So we had to make a pit stop to the gas station because you know black folks don't know how to put gas in their damn jet skis. Look at our little handyman. You better strap it up. You know what you're doing when it comes to that strap. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. They know. It's one lady? Wait, she looking for a girlfriend? Shit, we need this down right in the middle. Yo! What happened? You okay? You okay? You need help?
Yeah, well, come over here. You can take my phone. Here, let's turn it.
Alright, I'm cutting it off.
I never turned it. Over here.
Damn, watch your heads. Push me. Okay.
Shit.
You okay?
I was not prepared.
You okay? Alright, I got your phone. Phone's they don't flip the fuck over.
Here, I'm about to jump on it, guys.
Come on, y'all got it. Teamwork make the dream work. Look at that ass. Alright. Yeah. Oh! Leave it this. Oh, wait, somebody's shoes right there.
Oh, my shoe?
Yeah. Hey, y'all thought y'all was pros, huh?
We did. I did.
You gotta. Stevie over here.
Come you okay? Water.
Uh-oh, it's smoking, y'all. We outside, it's smoking.
It's okay, so let's just start going back.
Yo, look at all the. Oh my God! Hi, are you waving or you scratching? Hey! Look, talk that talk there. Hi, cutie. Hi. Now, Amber, you scaring all them damn. They about to turn up on your ass. Oh, yeah, fight. Don't be fighting. Calm down. Calm it down.